Toyota Safety Sense, or TSS, is a suite of advanced active safety technologies and driver assistance systems designed to help address three key areas of accident protection: preventing or mitigating frontal collisions, keeping drivers within their lane, and enhancing road safety during nighttime driving. TSS 2.0 builds on the previous TSS-C and TSS-P suites, and it consists of 6 active safety and driver assistance systems. For TSS 2.0, the pre-collision system, or PCS, uses an integrated forward-facing camera and grille-mounted radar system designed to help mitigate or avoid a frontal collision. TSS 2.0 enhances the pre-collision system with the addition of low-light detection for vehicles and pedestrians, as well as daytime detection of bicycles. When PCS determines that the possibility of a frontal collision with another vehicle, pedestrian, or bicycle is high, it prompts the driver to take evasive action and brake by using an audio and visual alert. If the driver notices the hazard and brakes, PCS may use brake assist to provide additional braking force. If the driver does not brake in a set time and the system determines that the possibility of a frontal collision with another vehicle is extremely high, the system may automatically apply the brakes, reducing speed to help mitigate the impact or avoid the collision entirely if possible. Please note that the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection will not avoid collisions under all conditions. Do not depend on the system or use it in place of emergency brake operation. Drivers are responsible for their own safe driving. Always pay attention to your surroundings and drive safely. See your owner's manual for more information on the limitations of Toyota Safety Sense.